In this video, we are going to discuss about the classification of organic compounds. In the previous video, we have seen about the characteristics of organic compound. Now here, we are going to see the classification. Organic compounds are classified into two types based on their structure. One is open chain structure and the other one is closed chain structure. Open chain structure means the structure in which two ends of the carbon compounds are not connected to each other. It can also be called as acyclic or aliphatic. Acyclic means absence of cyclic structure. And the other one is closed chain structure, in which the two ends of the carbon chain are connected to each other by a bond. It can also be called as cyclic structure or ring structure, or the compounds which are having closed chain structure are known as ring compounds or cyclic compounds. When it comes to the open chain structure or acyclic structure, compounds are classified into saturated and unsaturated. Remember, if in a compound all the carbon atoms are connected with a single bond, then that compound is considered as saturated hydrocarbon and it is named as alkane. If in a hydrocarbon, if one of the bond between the two carbon atoms is double bond or triple bond, it is considered as unsaturated hydrocarbon. If the bond between the two carbon atoms is double bond, then it is considered as alkene, and if the bond between any two carbon atoms is triple bond, then it is considered as alkyne. The general formula for alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, whereas the general formula for alkene is CnH2n, and for alkyne it is CnH2n minus 2. When it comes to the cyclic structure, they are again classified into two types, homocyclic and heterocyclic. Remember, homocyclic is also called as carbocyclic. Here the main thing is, in this cyclic structure all the atoms are carbon, whereas in heterocyclic structure, along with the carbon atom we have one different atom other than carbon atom. If you see here, this is the structure of furan, this is pyrrole, this is thiophene. In this one, along with the carbon atoms in the chain, we have oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur respectively. When along with the carbon atoms in the cyclic structure a different atom is present, it is considered under heterocyclic compound. And when it comes to homocyclic compounds, they are again classified into alicyclic and aromatic. Alicyclic compounds examples are cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclohexane. If you see here, in this chain structure we have only carbon atoms bonded to each other, whereas in aromatic compound, remember aromatic compounds are those compounds which gives fragrance. When it comes to the organic chemistry, aromatic compounds are those compounds which are having alternate double bond and delocalization of pi bond. Aromatic compounds are again classified into two types, benzenoid and non-benzenoid. Benzenoid compounds are those compounds which are having at least a benzene ring in their structure. The example for benzenoid compounds is benzene and naphthalene. When it comes to the non-benzenoid compound, the example is tropolone. This is the brief classification of organic compounds. We are going to see the detailed classification of organic compounds when we are going to deal the nomenclature of organic compounds. We'll see the remaining things in the next coming video.